Hello, friends. Let's discuss a very important and core topic which is associated with the structural reforms in agriculture, which is again dealing with GS3 topic issues related to MSP. So, recently there was a standing committee of Parliament on Agriculture who has recommended legal guarantee of MSP for the crops, which has been one of the demands by the farmers. So it suggests that making it legally binding will going to play a crucial role in reducing farmer suicides, providing financial stability to the farmers, protecting them against the market volatility, elevating the debt burdens, improving the overall mental health amongst the farmers. But it lacks on specifying how is this going to happen by merely making MSP a legal guarantee. That is the gap. So question is, making it a legal guarantee, will it double the farmer's income? Because core concern is that MSP it is not in sync with the rising cost of cultivation. Even if MSP becomes a guarantee, what about the amount of MSP that is being guaranteed by the government? That is not a part of the debate. We are not talking about that we need to shift and we need to implement the MS Swaminathan formula for MSP, which is C2 cost plus the 50% cost should be a part of the MSP. So C2 includes the comprehensive cost of production, which includes the element of actual cost of production, imputed rent on the owned land, interest on owned capital, and family labor. So C2 and 50% of C2 should be a part of the MSP. Also, will it not distort the cropping pattern when it becomes further a legal guarantee? So the question arises, is it desirable to widen the net of MSP or not to cover other crops? Is it economically viable? Because it is going to lead to increasing the fiscal burden on the government. Another question is, will it raise the climate resilience? Or when we're talking about climate smart agriculture, will it promote more water conservation practices? The answer is no. So we need to shift towards precision based farming. We need to increase the role of private sectors through contract farming. Like we have the ITC's e-Chopal, which directly buys from the farmers. There's no role of middlemen. We need to further widen the usage, the awareness among the farmers about e-NAM, and also digitization of APMCs to remove again the role of middlemen to further realign and restructure the agricultural sector in India. To meet you in the next video with a new topic.